I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming battery levels and pairing. Do this before boarding so you avoid fiddling in your seat. Open the case and pair with your phone or tablet. Once paired, enable airplane mode and then re-enable Bluetooth if the airline allows it. Make sure volume is moderate before takeoff to protect your ears and reduce requests to flight attendants. You're setting up a stable connection now so you won't need to troubleshoot during flight. Once in flight, control audio from your device to prevent interference with airplane systems. Some airlines route in-flight entertainment separately, so use your phone's Bluetooth audio for personal content. Switch between active noise cancellation and transparency to hear announcements. Transparency is handy when the cabin crew speaks. If you expect service or want situational awareness, use a single AirPod. This lets you stay aware while still enjoying. As landing approaches, pause or stop playback and remove at least one AirPod so you hear crew instructions. Pack both into the case and stow in your carry-on. If you experience dropouts, toggle Bluetooth and reconnect. Alternatively, put AirPods back in the case, close for 10 seconds, then reopen to force reconnection. If problems persist, reset and repair the AirPods after the flight. Keep purchase info handy for warranty claims or support. This solves most stubborn issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.